So I was recording before about the gel balls, and these are the broken ones. These are the good ones. And over here one all still in water. I understand that they need to be about 2 or 3 days in water. And this one I had warm water, really warm, and possibly, or I think so, this is a good one. I put 3 in here, and well, I put these ones in here, and still collecting the broken parts. These are shaped weird. So for another day in here. And I got 2 ones in the hydroponic system. And probably by or the air bubbles or the nutrition, they shaped a bit like this. Weird. I read on the side that, and I noticed looks a bit like a skull. Of course, our heads are skulls, but okay. I mean, whatever. Yeah, at the side I read the fuel burst 30 minus 17. Well, that's a big part that bursted. 17, 18, 19. So 11 broke. That's a bit much, I think. So 11 the broke of the 30. And in the warm bucket I put really warm water. I wanted to know if, well, do they grow faster in warm water? Probably because of that. They grow too fast, so they broke, I think. In the bigger bucket I put lukewarm water, so I got another bag, and I want to find out in cold water what do they do. I understand that they need to grow to 2 or 3 days, so they get first they grow weird, bubbly, and then they grow to a full normal sized ball, and after that they can grow more, but the chance of breaking is very high. Well, you just saw a lot of them broke. 11 ones broke. So if they're in cold water, will they break less? And I want to find that out. And I have ordered more bowls, but on one side Wish, and Wish is a store for several stores. So I bought a few bowls by different stores. So the question is then, are they all the same or not? And do I have some bad quality balls? Don't know. So I am going to do the other ones in cold water to find out if I'm right that warm water isn't good to let them swell. And luckily it is 2 or 3 euros to buy them, so they're cheap. And if cold water is better, then good. But the biggest question is, can I use them for hydroponic system or whatever, that the plants can suck water out of them? The little ones work for that, but do the small ones, the big ones also do that, or are they just decoration? That's what I want to know, because what other use of those balls will have? I understand that if you are gonna play with them, throw them, bounce them, they'll break. So I read the comments, and a lot of parents let their kids play with them and then they break. So the answer is there. So they're cheap, and well, therefore you can buy them. But other than that, if you don't need them, better do not buy them. And I already bought a few of them. So now gonna try them with cold water, and I will let you know. Bye.